Today I'm using one of our PDF files that you can get at chocolateletfancy.com, and they're just images of different crafts that we've done over time. And this was a cow that Jamie had did with cardboard. So I printed out her PDF and I'm cutting it out with a pair of scissors. And if you would like this image, you can do the same thing. I will post a link in the comments. I found these two adhesive panels from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to tape them together. I'm going to lay my shape on top. You can go from the back. The only problem is I wanted to make sure that my boards were perfectly straight, and I'm just going to trace it out on top of the panel, and then I'm going to cut with a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to stay on the other side of that line so you're not going to see that when I'm done. And I cut the entire thing out. And I liked how it looked like it was a board. I found this round board at Michael's. It's a little more pricier. I did get it 50% off, and I'm adding our Antique Walnut by General Finishes. It's a gel stain that you wipe on, wipe off. You could use the Dollar Tree round board for this if you'd like. I'm going to add our 1 hour enamel clear, and then I'm going to lay down my adhesive, but this time I'm going to wait for it to dry to put my second coat. The tip with this adhesive paper is you do not want to get it too wet, so light coats of the 1 hour enamel clear is what you're going to want to do. Now it's dry, and I'm going to do a very thin, quick coat on the image. Again, you don't want to get the paper saturated. I found these American sunglasses at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the arms using a screwdriver, taking the little screw out so that the arms neatly come off. And then I'm going to take our metallic silver by Wise Owl. You can get this at chocolateletfancy.com, and I'm going to paint the lens and then add some glitter, silver glitter, to that wet paint. And I think these came out pretty cool. I'm going to take E6000 and a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold, and I'm going to glue the glasses to my cow image. I found this hair scrunchie also at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the elastic area, and I'm going to create a bow out of it by taking the long pieces and tucking them in, and then taking that part that I cut and using it to tie everything together in the center. And I love this bow. It had half the stars with the navy, and then the other half was the stripes. And I'm going to glue that at the top of my cow's head, and then cut off any excess material. I found this beaded Americana at the Dollar Tree with the flag, and I'm going to create a tag with the flag and one bead and hang it from the cow's ear. I think this is super fun for the patriotic holidays coming forward, Memorial Day, 4th of July, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube, and you can now watch all our videos at chocolateletfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chocolateletfancy.com. Thank you so much.